Hello, today we have this Lenovo tablet that has a broken charging port. Someone yanked on the charging cable and now the port is loose and the tablet won't charge properly, so let's fix it. Most of these Android tablets have back covers that are held in place with plastic clips, so we'll just need to pry the cover off. The USB port is under the board, so we'll have to remove the whole motherboard. Remember to disconnect the battery first. Actually, the port isn't even attached to the board anymore, so this whole thing just got a lot more complicated. So because the old port is basically useless, we'll have to replace it completely. You can find new micro USB ports for under $1 in places like eBay and AliExpress. If the pads on your board are still alright, you can just solder the new port in its place, but our pads are in such a bad shape that we'll need to scrape the solder mask and run a jumper wire. We won't bother trying to get the data working because we don't really need it and it would be quite difficult. First we'll attach the jumper wire to the port. This is our VCC pin. Ground we can get from the USB port's case. Now we'll line up the part and solder the 4 supporting legs and the VCC pin. Having flux and a suitably sized tip for your soldering iron will make your life easier. The port seems to be properly attached now, so let's put the tablet back together and see if it works. So now the tablet is back together. We had to cut the case a little bit because the new USB port was a tiny bit larger than the original one, but anyways, it works now. As you can see, it charges just fine. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.